Hello guys, today we'll see this problem. Most of the students get confused while doing this type of problems. Why? I don't know. This type of problems is very easy if you understand the Bodemas rule. We all know the Bodemas rule, right? Right? Let me explain you clearly here. B for brackets, O for order, then D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. So, what is difference between Bodemas rule and PEMDAS rule? I have explained in detail in one video. I'll provide a link over here. You just click on that link and go through that video. If you want to get a full detail, the difference between the Bodemas and PEMDAS rule. Okay. So here we just go for this problem. Then we all know the Bodemas rule. If you all know the Bodemas rule and the order of doing the Bodemas, then it's very easy for you to do this type of problems. Here Bodemas rule is nothing but brackets. B stands for bracket, O for order, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. According to this format, we have to do this type of sums. So look at here. Here the question is 6 plus 2 multiplied bracket 3 minus of, here flower bracket is given, then 4 plus 2 multiplied with 6 multiplied 2 minus 5 bracket close. Here we have used these three brackets, this simply bracket, and this is flower bracket, and this square bracket. So we need to start with the brackets. So according to the Bodemas rule, we have to go for the bracket first. Okay, we have to go for the bracket first. Then we have to see the order. This is the second one. Then we have to move for the division. After that, we have to check out whether there is multiplication is there or not. Then we have to go for multiplication. After that, addition. Then last we have to do subtraction. In this format only we have to solve the problem. Okay, let's see. Let me take a paper. So what is our question? Our question is, so 6 plus 2 bracket 3 minus of 4 plus 2 multiplied by 6 multiplied 2 minus 5 bracket close. Okay, this is our question. So according to Bodemas, so first bracket we need to go for the bracket first. Look at here, this is the entire bracket. So from starting from here to here, the bracket is given. So we need to go for the bracket first. But within that bracket, we have another two brackets. So we just move for this step. So this is the first step, we need to clear it. Okay. After that, we need to go for this step. Then at last we have to move the biggest bracket. Okay, this is the third. So first we'll go for this. Okay, I'm just explain you clearly here. Just write. So 6 2s is, first I'm writing. First we'll do the first part. Okay, first here 1 is nothing but we are going with this bracket first. So for our, what is there? 6 multiplied by 2 minus 5. So it can be written as 6 multiplied by 2 is 12 minus 5. Answer is 7. Here biggest number holds the sign of positive, that is plus 7. If it is here, suppose if here there is a minus sign here, plus sign. Then after doing the subtraction, we need to take out the sign of the biggest number. Okay, are you getting my point? Suppose there is minus 12 and plus 5, the answer will be 7, but it holds the minus sign. As the biggest number, take the minus sign. But okay, so next we move to the second bracket, means from here to here. Okay, so second one, what is there? 4 plus 2 multiplied in the bracket 6 multiplied 2 minus 5. So this is the second one. So 4 plus 2, we need to do 4 plus 2 is 6. No, we don't have to do this 4 plus 6. First we have to do the multiplication for this bracket part. So 4 plus 2 multiplied by bracket. What is the answer for this bracket? Is 7. Okay. So listen here. After brackets, we need to go for the division. But here there is no division in this. So if there is no division, then we have to move for the next one, which is multiplication. Here the multiplication exists here. That's why we go for this multiplication, not for the addition. Okay. So answer is 4 plus 7 2's 14. So 14 plus 4 is 18. Okay. Then we'll move for the last and the final bracket, means the biggest bracket, which is, so what is third? 3. I'm just entering the same. 3 minus bracket of 4 plus 2 multiplied by bracket of 6 multiplied by 2 minus 5 bracket close. So here what I'm doing, I'm writing 3 as it is, then minus sign. Okay. So the answer of this entire is 18. Okay. The answer of this entire, I'm just entering the answer of this second part, means this entire part, which is 18. 3 minus 18. What is 3 minus 18? That is minus 15. Okay. So listen here, actually 18 minus 3 is 15, but the 18, the biggest number 18 holds the minus sign. That's why we have to write the minus sign over here. Okay. So this is the entire part. So lastly we are doing, so once again now I am going to write the question again. 6 plus 2 multiplied by 3 minus of 4 plus 2 multiplied by 6 into 2 minus 5 brackets close. Okay, this is our question, right? So I'm just entering the entire part here. First we have done up to here. From here to here we have done the answer. Now we'll just enter the same 6 plus 2 over here. 6 plus 2 multiplied by the answer of this entire thing. The entire this bracket part is minus 15. That's why I am writing minus 15 over here. Okay. So what will be the next step? 6 plus 2 is 8 multiplied by minus 15, right? No. Here we have, according to Bodmer's rule, we need to take out the brackets first. So 6 plus 2 multiplied by minus 15. I'm writing again the bracket over here. Why? Because you guys no need to get confused. That's why I'm writing bracket here. So then according to Bodmer's rule, BODMAS, first we have to do the M, means multiplication part. After that we have to move for the addition. MAS, A means addition. So 6 plus 15 2's 30 Okay, actually here minus sign is there, that's why I am taking minus over here. So 6 minus 30. What happens? Our answer is minus 24. So this is the answer. I hope guys you all understood this class well. If you like it, please hit the bell icon for more updates and do like this video. I hope guys, and please guys don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.